Okay, question 4 then. The ratio x to y is 2 to 3. Circle the correct statement. So you may have seen the bar model. So you've got x to y. So where x is 2 and y is 3. For every 2 of those, there are 3 of those. And we can use this to help with these kind of questions. So x is 2/3 of y. So x, these are your x's. X is 2 out of the 3, so x is 2 out of the 3y. I can see that in the picture. For every 2 of those, there's 3 of those, 2 out of the 3 y's. We'll have a look at the others as well and just see where this comes from, but that's looking good. Y is 2 out of the 3 x's. Well, y firstly is 3, so y is 3 out of 2 x's. It's 3 of those out of 2 of those, so I don't think that one's right. Well, in fact, I know it's wrong. Next one, x is 2/5 of y. Now, the 2/5 part comes from 2 out of the total. So, x is 2/5 of the total, and the total isn't y, because the total is x plus y. So, x is 2/5 of the total, which is x plus y, not 2/5 of y. So that can't be right. And likewise, y is 3/5 of x plus y of the total. So that one isn't correct either. So that's if you get the bar model method. If you just kind of want a more maybe logical method, you could literally just sub in some numbers from there. So if we know that x is 2 and y is 3, you could sub those in. So if I put x is 2, 2 is 2/3 of 3. So some of you might prefer the number method, which I don't mind either. Some people might prefer this. If you're not good at the visual, this is easier. So is 2, because that's what x is, 2 is 2/3 of 3. Is that correct? So what is 2/3 of 3? 2/3, well, I've done it, but I'm proving it here, but 2/3 of 3 is obviously 2. So 2 is 2/3 of 3, yes. Whereas if we sub it into the next one, where it says y is 2/3 of x, 3 is 3/2 of x of 2. So 3 out of 2 of 2 is 3. So 3 out of 2 of 2 is 3. Hang on a minute. Y is 2/3 of x. 3 is... Oh, I wrote it wrong. I was going to say that doesn't work. I was using the one that I said it was. So if I go into the actual question, 3 is 2/3. I knew something had gone wrong there. So 3 is 2/3 of 2. So that was what it said. So I sub into there the 3 and sub into there the 2. So 2/3 of 2. 2/3 of 2 is going to give us a decimal. That's 4/3, which isn't 3. So that one's wrong. And so on and so forth. You could keep putting the x and y into there, x and y into there, and prove that you end up with a sentence that isn't true.